therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah.
Hey everyone, today I'm at the Cosmopolitan and I'm in the Lanai Suite. This is a 2-floor suite that has an outdoor area that you have your own private jacuzzi. First, when you walk in, there is a guest bathroom on the left side when you go in. What's nice about the guest bathroom in this suite is that it has its own shower. A lot of guest bathrooms are only just like washrooms, just a toilet and a sink, but it has a full shower, which is really nice if you have other people joining you. When you come out, you're open to normal Cosmopolitan snacks. Here you have a mini fridge, which I just struggle to open. Still struggling to open. 4th time's the charm here. But there you go. You have your overpriced drinks that you're probably not going to touch. Underneath, you had some storage, some paper towels, and a little trash bin. Here you had a full fridge, well, a full mini fridge that you could use for food or drinks or anything like that. It's always great when a suite offers you a fridge, not just for their overpriced drinks, but for anything that you want to keep cold. You have a full sink with a nozzle that can switch up and extend. You're not going to be doing dishes, but it's always nice to have. It's a good feature. You have a little bar table area with a glass top, a TV right there. It does have all the connections if you wanted to hook up HDMI or anything USB. There was also Bluetooth that can connect throughout the whole suite, and that'll be coming up here shortly with this tablet. This tablet right here was really cool. The only problem is the technology was a little dated and you didn't really get the user experience for something you'd expect from like 2025. Also, the battery was so dead that when I took it off the charger, it would die immediately, so I had to use it on there. But you can use that for all the lighting, for the AC, for the TVs, and to close the shades to the outside. So now stepping through the living room, we're going to go out to the little outdoor area where the jacuzzi is. This is obviously one of the highlights of this suite, is that you have your own jacuzzi. Definitely super comfortable for 2 people. You could fit 3 people in there too. Probably 4 if you wanted to squeeze. It has direct access to one of the Cosmopolitan pools. Obviously they're telling you, don't access the pool after hours, but if you don't get caught, you can do whatever you want. No, I'm just kidding, don't do that. There you can see the pool. It is after hours there, so there's no one there, but as you can see, you're right near the pool. So you can actually get to the pool through the back of your suite without having to go back inside. That being said, this suite is on the 14th floor of the Chelsea Tower, where the fitness club is, and also the spa, and the pool you just saw as well. What's good about that is you can use any one of the 3 elevator lobbies. So whenever I see there's like a bunch of people trying to get up in the elevator on one lobby, I'll just go to the next one because they all go to the 14th floor. Coming back inside, we have a really beautiful staircase that brings you to the 2nd level of the suite, where the master bedroom is and where the master bathroom is. You have another TV here, you have a full king-size bed, very comfortable, open directly into the master suite and open directly into the master bathroom. You'll see the master bathroom has a his/her vanity, which is nice if you're there with more than one person. You don't have to be in each other's way. The shower up here was huge. I mean, you could throw a party in here. I always love when a suite has a separate area for the toilet. It just gives the whole entire bathroom such a better environment especially when you're sharing it with somebody. Obviously, there's everything you'd imagine. There's toothbrush, mouthwash, lotion. Over here we have the closet. Had a good amount of hangers. It also had some more storage on the right-hand side, so it went a little deeper too. It wasn't that small. And then coming back to the master bedroom, that's the view you get to look at in the morning. So that was the suite. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll leave you with some footage of the Red Rocks because I went for a hike when I was out there for that trip, and I thought this would be a great way to end the video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.